Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up an activity in Seesaw, but also how you can assign skills and provide a score to your students using those skills that you've assigned. So the first thing that we're going to do is to add a new activity. So assign activity. We want to create a new activity over here. We're just going to call this one reading fluency, type some instructions. So you might say, record yourself reading a good bit book. And we want to scroll right down here. We can add our voice instructions if we want, or add any templates if we need to, or multimedia instructions. But down the bottom here, you'll see our skills. So that's under the more options, and you want to go skills. In this case, we haven't set that up yet. So what we want to do is press edit. We want to go to new skill, and we want to label it. So let's call this reading fluency. You can add a quick code so it's easy to find if you want. You might just call it reading fluency 1, RF1. I'll call this grade 1. Let's say it's English. It's reading and a description. So reading fluency, and we press the tick. All right, so now that will actually show up here in our skills, so we can press that. Once we've selected it, go back up and hit the tick. And now you can save your activity. Here we go. So we've got our instructions. It says that we've got one skill. I can now assign that to my class. And now my students are able to go in. So I'll go back and view that in the test class. All right, once your students have responded to the activity and it's time for you to go in and check them, you go to your activities tab and you'll be able to see any activities you've got here. So you can see this is my reading fluency activity, and I have one student that has responded and I can see it here. For the purposes of this example, I don't have a video, but I have added a note response. So I can go in here to our little teacher hat sign where the 1 is, and I can actually assign a star value to whatever I think. So, based on my perception of their reading fluency, what I think it is, I'm going to give this student a 4, and I can press the tick. There we go, our skills updated. I can go back now. And now in my skills tab here, I should be able to see any student that I've assigned a score for their reading fluency in that particular task. So have a try of that yourself. A little hint for teachers out there, all classes now have a sample student set up, so you can always test it there. For me, I like to set up a test class in Seesaw so that it's easier for me to play around with different features of Seesaw. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but good luck with your seesawing.